Easy, crispy fried fish, no batter, delicious, delicious. Come on, let's head into my kitchen and get started cooking. Let's start this crispy fried fish with no batter recipe. We have some pieces of cod fish that has been washed and dried and ready for seasoning. These are the seasonings that I'm going to use for the fish. I have here a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of complete, a half a teaspoon of the powders, garlic and onion powder, about a half a package of sazon, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of obey. These are the seasonings that I'm going to use for the fish. This is to flour them. I have a cup of all-purpose flour and 3/4 tablespoon of potato starch. Or if you don't have potato starch, you can use cornstarch. Just a tip, as I mentioned, I used the all-purpose flour and a tablespoon of potato starch. You can also use the cornstarch, but for me, potato starch makes your fish more crispy. Potato starch may be kind of hard to find, but you can find it on Amazon. And please see my Amazon link below. Thank you. The fish is now seasoned, and the sazon is what gives us this beautiful color. Okay, now we go to the next step, which is the flour mixture. Okay, I'm going to mix the flour, the cup of all-purpose flour, into this baggie. And I'm going to add the potato starch in. And I'm just going to season it just with a sprinkle of adobo. I'm going to zip it up and shake it up. Get it ready for the fish. We're just going to dump the fish in, shake off the excess flour, and put it in a hot pan of oil. I put some oil in the pan and I have it heating up. So when we put our fish in, we want the pan nice and hot. And I have it on a medium heat. Okay, I put the fish inside the bag and I shake it up and shake off the excess flour and put that right into this hot pan. And fry this on both sides. And it should take no longer than, stay right there, it should take no longer than 15-20 minutes. When you're placing the fish inside your pan, don't crowd it, give it some space. And it'll come out nice. And stay right there because it doesn't take long. 10-15 minutes. And so then you brown it on, cook it on that side and then flip it over when you think it gets to the, how you like it, and then flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Crispy fried fish with no batter is now ready. Dinner is now served. Crispy fried fish with no batter, home fries, and cornbread. Enjoy. Welcome back. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget, please press that subscribe and notification button, letting you know when my next video is available. See you on my next video. Peace and love to everyone, and have a